Okay, just going to introduce you to this 8-ball Engineering Ultra Pick. It comes like a standard fixed body, tapered. It's got a low groove in there so the wires can sit quite nice and low for the low levers. These are hardened. I haven't actually seen anybody break one of these or snap one of these with heavy tension, so they're good for heavy or light tension. Same with the wires. I haven't seen actually anybody ever snap one of these wires yet because these are hardened too. It comes a set of 4 with 2 holders. You have 2 short and 2 long. On this Era Fortress, we're going to use a long wire. So we go in there, and like I said, these you can put heavy tension on. I tend to cover my hand over there and apply tension because you don't really need to see what's going on. It's all done by feel. And these locks do tend to tell you the picking order that they want to be picked in. So we'll start off by applying heavy tension and make sure you got the run of the pack, which we have there. Yeah, from front to back, we've got the whole wire moving. So now we're going to start at the 5th lever at the back and see if it's bound. I'm getting a little slap on that, so I'm going to leave number 5 and go on at number 4. Now number 4, look, is binding, so it's solid. So I'm going to back the tension off a little bit and lift that into place. So I have a little nudge, but it's still binding. Right, now you can see that movement. So I'm just going to check 5 again. 5 slapping, 4 slapping. Now the next one is number 3. You can see there is binding again. So I'm just going to back the tension off a little bit and lift that lever up until I can feel that slap. So that's 5 in, 4 in, 3 in. So now we're going to just concentrate on the 2 at the front. Number 1 is slapping, so I'm going to leave number 1, and number 2 is binding. So like you see there, there's no slap, so I'm going to back the tension off a little bit and push him into the gate. There we go, we heard that nice click. Just check all the other levers to make sure that they are moving. And now number 1 right at the front is bound, so now I'm going to lift that one into this gate. And there we are. Simple as that. But like I said, these are ideal for heavy and light tension pickers. Something that we are planning on doing very soon is getting overlifting wires to complement these. This is a Morgan. Just going to demonstrate. Let's get the wire in. Like so, and then literally put the tension on and then lift the levers up and down. And just keep them bouncing up and down and try and catch them on the down. There we are, like so. And then we're just going to try it on this old Abus wall saw. Very similar lock, so the different gauge. So this has now gone in a little bit further, and this is ideal for worn curtains because it sits real snug in and keeps it tight, so you can actually feel what is going on with the lock. So we'll just put that overlifter in there, tension on. Try and get it on the down. Make sure we've got movement. Let's probably just try a different overlifter on that one. Just get a little bit wider one. So very quickly just swap the wires over on these, just so we've gone for a slightly higher one. Like so. Okay, just to give you a little insight on different ways that you can pick the Mortice locks. Many thanks.